What's up, y'all? Going to San Antonio, about to get this shopping on. Just keep on watching. Bye.
Traffic jam.
What the fuck?
We've been here for like freaking an hour.
Yeah.
Oh, I look
we have
short like
shit
this.
to do, places to go.
I look like I don't have my neck.
Oh, I gotta take a shit. It's just the beginning. What?
We have like an hour to go still. And we're hungry. My face looks so fat.
Mine looks fat.
So we're in this little store right now. There's a lot of cute like old stuff. I don't even know. They have everything here. Hey Skelly, you need some socks.
No, I don't. I do.
I know. So now we're leaving. That was cute. That lady probably thought we like stole something. So now we're just going to the river walk. And people are probably staring at me right now. Okay, bye. Chips. Are they good? How good?
Very good.
Your face is so... Skyler? Skyler? So we are walking.
Losing a shitload of games.
Yep. Oh, you're badass. So,
what?
wow. Where did we even park at?
So.
No, we're probably gonna go to the mall. I don't really know. Well, yeah. Now we are eating at the mall, and he's eating the Wendy's.
Oh shit.
Ew. And I got Chick-fil-A and pretzels that are freaking burnt. Yeah. Well, that was like Blackie Boy.
Oh shit. Is it?
No.
What?
Oh my god. At Ulta.
We're at Ultra, guys. We're about to get our Ultra shop on. Yummy.
Ew, but it smells like gross. It smells like that McDonald's drink.
That's good. That mango.
Mm-hmm. Just got an icy at Bucky's. Going home. Skyler's putting gas. And he's eating banana pudding. And here he comes. Wait, just kidding. Oh, yep. He feels sick.
It's like a big old shit.
Ew. That looks good.
It is.
And all the ghetto people that are at Bucky's. So we were driving over here, and this person is shining their brights on us. And so we go around them, and then we freaking...
Keep on watching.
I'm telling them about the people that did their brights to us.
Yeah, those fuckers.
Just tell them what happened. Because I forgot, kind of.
I don't even know.
Yeah, remember? We had to chase them. We just chased them a little bit.
And then they wouldn't fight me.
No.
They were very scared.
No, then we just went behind them and put our brights in them, and then they went behind us again and put their brights in our
So I almost
back.
rammed them.
And no, he didn't. But then we were thinking there was like a lot of guys in there, and we were like, what if they come out and like want to
I
fight us
almost
or
rammed them
something?
with my ram.
Okay. But yeah. And then another car put their brights on us, and Scott's like, oh, that's just an old man. He probably doesn't know what he's doing. And then we got to Buc-ee's, and it was like a young guy. And
Yeah, and he didn't want to fight.
And Skylar was scared of him. I'm just joking. Oh, look at that dog.
I almost got rammed.
That's Skylar's favorite word. Oh, when it's dark. We're back driving again.
All day event, guys.
But you can't see us. We'll probably be home in like about an hour, which is freaking long.
So just keep on watching. Bye.
Bye.
Let me worry about fucking. Money decision making, only worry about stunning. She worry about me, her nigga worry about cuffing. I wanna see her body. Then she said, get inside of me. I wanna feel you, baby. Just bring the animal right out of me. We loving, she love it, especially when I go down on her. Now we fucking, she thugging, getting loud. Cause we popping like